Hello, I'm Naomi, the National Director of Australia for UNHCR. I wanted to thank all our donors who've contributed to Australia for UNHCR's East Africa appeal. This is a massive crisis and I'm very grateful for everyone who's donated to support some of the world's most vulnerable people. UNHCR is on the ground providing protection and emergency assistance in Somalia and refugee camps in Kenya and Ethiopia. My colleagues report that the needs are huge. Thousands of people continue to arrive in the camps, and in Kobe camp in Ethiopia, our staff report very sadly that every day up to 10 children are dying from disease and malnutrition. Funds raised by Australia for UNHCR will go directly to provide therapeutic food for malnourished children, medical care, non-food items such as blankets, cooking utensils and jerry cans, and much needed emergency shelter for thousands of displaced people. In the coming months and beyond, UNHCR will continue to provide life-saving assistance to the tens of thousands of victims of drought and conflict. We look forward to your continued support and thank you again so much for your donations.